It's time for axles. Let's get to work. All right, so here's what's going down. New springs, new U-bolt kits, all new hubs and bearings, of course new brakes on the rear axle then, and we're gonna just paint these axles, make sure that they're not raw. As usual, we've got some nuts that were rusted on, won't come off, so I've got 3 of them that made it only so far, so time to cut them off. So you're looking at the old wiring for the brakes. It goes from one side to the next, and it goes through the tube just to be clean. And I've got us all rigged up so that we can pull through the new wire with the old wire. We'll be good to go. So I was going to replace all of the suspension components, but I'm going to keep the equalizer because I like the red equalizer. Obviously the bushings are shot, so we got that taken care of. Yeah? What do you think? Oh yeah. These things are wore out. These get them pound out and refreshed with some new guys, and we should be in great shape. Old, new. Just a reminder, people, replace your bushings every now and then. It's a very inexpensive repair that can save a whole lot of expense down the road. All right, I've got my axles posted up, so next step is going to be to pull off all the old hubs and replace them with new stuff. New hub, new brake assembly, new hubs. Let's get to work. Before we pull everything apart, I'm going to get my bearings greased beforehand so that they're just ready to go into the new hubs. So I've got my handy grease packer here. Let's do it. So this is what it looks like if an axle or bearings get over greased. You can see everything is caked up over here. And it's just pretty nasty. What that is the grease blowing out the backside of the seal. On an idler axle, it's not as big of a deal, but on anything with brakes, that means the grease could start swinging up into the hub and ruining your brake pads. So don't over grease. Grease is very important, but not too much. Yesterday I was wearing a hoodie. Today I'm sweating. Welcome to Texas. I've got my judge here. How'd I do?
Pretty darn straight, Jeremy.
I did it!
Come to me, please.
Okay, moment of truth. The trailer restoration is complete. You guys have all seen it. It looks awesome. I love how it turned out, but I've now got the final complete list of everything that's been done, and I have a total just so that we can lay it all out. And so my original guesstimate as far as what it was going to take was going to be like around $25, maybe $3,000. After everything, this is all parts, labor, the paint, I mean everything that went into it, I now have a grand total of $6,344.41. So yeah, we blew through the budget, but we learned a lot. We had fun doing it. I really hope you guys enjoyed at least watching this thing come back to life. We've got some big plans for it anyway, so thanks again for hanging out with me. Let me know if you want to see some more of these. I've got some more trailers in the works, so if you guys want to see me do some more of these restorations, please hit me up. Let me know what you think, and I can't wait to do this again with you guys. So hang tight. Thanks for hanging out with me at Happy Trailers.
Come to me, please.
She's done, guys. That is finally it. I mean, quite literally everything is brand new. It turned out legit, and I had a ton of fun doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the whole process go down too. I actually have some really cool plans for this one. Probably give me a few weeks and I'll drop a video just updating everybody on what's happening actually with this trailer. But all that aside, it turned out so sweet. I love everything about it. So once again, thank you guys for watching this whole process go down. Thanks for hanging out with me. More of these to come. Let me know if there's a trailer. If you have a trailer that you want me to buy and restore, hit me up, because that could be a lot of fun. I've got some more in the works, but yes. Thank you guys for watching and supporting the channel for this restoration process. Way more to come. I'm gonna continue doing these. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.